Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply.com, and in this video we're going to be unboxing some WeatherTech no-drill mud flaps for the Ford F-150 rear position. Let's get started. All right, you may know WeatherTech for their floor mats, their floor liners. That's kind of what they started the business with, was their laser measured floor liners for the cab of the vehicle. They're not a universal product. They are laser measured for specific year, make, model, all of that. So it's a tight fit on the floor. Now they also make a handful of other products, one of them being these mud flaps, and they take a similar approach to these products. This is not a universal product. This is made for a specific year range, make, model, so on. It fits the exact contours of the truck. And so this is for 2021 through, I believe, 2025 Ford F-150 pickup trucks. Got a nice retail packaging right here with photos and so on. A couple of things here: no drilling required, so it's going to use all the factory holes that already exist in the truck. Another thing, they're big on Made in USA. Maybe you've seen some of their Super Bowl commercials. Big Made in USA. Most of their products are made right there in their Chicago area facility. Some features here on here, right on the box that you can't see, but you know, again, uses factory holes, engineered specifically for the application, like I mentioned. This is molded from the OEM approved thermoplastic resins, plastic product. Again, custom fit for your specific application. Go ahead and pull this out of the box. Another thing I love about WeatherTech is they have their lifetime warranty on all of their products, so they stand behind what they make. Looks like we do have a right-hand side here, also known as the passenger side. Have a nice stamp right here, RH. Also put the part number stamped on there, as well as their 800 number in case you run into any issues. They have this little quick turn attachment device right here already put in to the product, which is going to make installation a breeze. Got a couple other holes down here that may also be used. We do have a fully illustrated installation guide. Looks like there are a couple of tools that they don't provide, such as a ratchet and socket set, trim clip remover, and optional open-end wrench. But they do provide you with some other tools, like a little Phillips head bit in case you don't have one of those, which is nice. And then they also give you an Allen wrench in here, in case you don't have one of those as well. So this is just a nice, simple, let's see, 6 steps on this page. 10 total, and step 10 is repeat for the other side, so it's really just 9 steps if you think about it. Photos, everything, show you exactly how to put this on to the truck. Now we're going to be installing this on the truck behind me, so if you're interested in that video, be sure to check that out. Again, we do have our Phillips head bit right here for installing the product. You also get another tool in here, an Allen wrench, in case you don't have one of those for this specific application. A few nuts and bolts and washers in this bag right here. And then right here, we're gonna have the mud flap protection film set. This is just gonna help make that adhesion of this product to the vehicle that much better. So there's a little like 4-step process for applying these little plastic strips to the vehicle to give you a nice secure installation of this product. So pretty simple, everything that you need to install. Again, this is designed, tailor fit for your specific vehicle. Again, this is for an F-150 21 through 25 models. If you have a Silverado or a 1500 Ram or something like that, it's just gonna look slightly different to fit your particular application, but it's gonna be essentially very similar product. Installation obviously is gonna vary as well because those vehicles are designed differently, but it's very similar approach, super easy to install, everything that you need to install it included, and all of that. Now, if you're interested in these mud flaps or any other equipment to get your van or truck ready for work, be sure to check us out, UpfitSupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.